Hey guys, it's Danica and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another what I eat in a day. I really like making these videos and I think you guys really like them as well. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you everything that I eat during the day. Starting obviously with iced coffee. If you know me and watch my channel, you know that I love a good cup of coffee in the morning. So we're gonna start with that, and if you want to know more, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've made myself a really good cup of coffee. If you know me at all, you know that coffee is one of my favorite part of the day, so I'm just gonna enjoy it for a while. During the summertime, I really like having some iced coffee. I think it is incredible and so refreshing in the morning. So I'm just gonna drink my coffee, and after that, we're gonna make breakfast. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do for breakfast yet. I think I might do a smoothie bowl. I've been really enjoying smoothie bowls lately, so I might do that. Maybe a bowl of oatmeal, I'm not really sure, so we're gonna see. So it's almost time for lunch and I have some leftover beans in the fridge. So I think I'm gonna do some burritos. I have this recipe that I saw on TikTok and I tried it a couple of weeks ago and it was so good. So I think I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna link the recipe down below. If you guys wanna follow along, I really recommend that you do. It is really, really good. Sorry if it's really dark in my kitchen. It's been a really dark and rainy outside, so this is the best that I can do. But it's almost time for dinner and I feel like having just a good old pasta. I have this chickpea pasta that I really like, so I think that's what I'm gonna do for dinner.